me and Anne today and paste line. I'm going to do it. No, I want to open it.
See, this is her first video. Now open it.
Okay. Open it. Look. Eee. So gross.
Look, everyone.
Oh my goodness, it's slime. It's not coming out. Ew, it's stuck in my hand. Ew. So
What is it?
slime.
Ew, that's so gross.
Smell it.
Smell it. You smell it first.
No.
Yeah.
No, you smell it.
No, you.
No.
So it's a glitter. Is it glitter?
Yeah, it's like a beach.
What color is it?
It's green.
Yeah, it is green. Well, show the kids.
Look, kids. It's so gross.
Oh my gosh, it's everywhere.
Oh my goodness, everywhere.
Put it on, keep it on the table.
Ew, stuck in my hand.
Ew.
Stuck in my hand.
Hello guys, I am her big sis. And my YouTube channel will be down below. Oh my gosh, look. Where did we get the slime?
Lauren.
Yeah, our cousin Lauren. Oh my gosh. Look, put some in it.
Okay.
And then keep this the rest. So we're going to Disney World tonight, and we're so excited. So now, can you make Mickey Mouse?
Yeah.
Okay, make Mickey Mouse out of it.
This?
Yeah, make Mickey Mouse.
It's so gross and slimy. I want to scratch it now and now make it not get dirty.
Yeah, and who is your favorite YouTuber? Who do you like to watch?
Mickey Mouse.
No, what do you like to watch on YouTube?
Ryan.
Tell them.
I love Ryan better.
She likes Ryan's tutorial. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. Ew. Ew.
Oh no, it's not working. It's not make Minnie Mouse.
Can you make a snake?
Yeah.
Make a snake.
Okay, I'm gonna say one.
Ooh, is that a snake?
Oh, stuck in that slime.
Ew.
Hey, this is not my slime.
It's not?
No, this is my slime.
They're both yours. Look how dirty this is. It's all over my hands.
Baby,
I made a ball. If you see that, I don't know if you can, but it's right there. Show them the ball. Show them it.
No. I messed it up. Yeah, thank you for watching.
Go. Wash me off.
No. Keep it right. Bye.